Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with a new lesson. Learn easiest Italian phrases in 3 minutes. I don't make long videos because many of you have no time to watch long videos like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So that's why I make short videos for all of you so you all can watch them in your enough time. Next one is mi piacerebbe. Mi piacerebbe, I would like. Next one is dove posso trovare, dove where posso can, trovare find. Dove posso trovare, where can I find? Mi aiuti per favore, can you help me please? Mi aiuti, help, per favore, please. Non capisco. I don't understand. Non capisco. I don't understand. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos and short videos like this. Next one is come si dici in Italiano? Come si dici and put the word you want to ask to say in Italian. Come si dici in Italian? How do you say that word in Italian? For example, you want to ask how to say water in Italian, so you can say come si dice water in Italiano. Then the person will tell you how to say water in Italiano, okay? Come si dice in Italiano. Next one is a presto, see you soon. A presto, see you soon. If you want to repeat that phrases, then please go back and repeat them if you want. Mi scusi, excuse me. Dove, where is? La stazione, the train station. Stazione, station. Dove, where? Mi scusi, excuse me. Mi scusi, dove la stazione? Excuse me, where is the train station? Now let's move on to our next phrase that you can remember today. These phrases are very short so you can remember them today, okay? Next one is che ora è? Che ora è? Che, what? Ora, time, è, is it? Che ora è? What time is it? Thank you for watching. Must subscribe. Ciao, a presto.